I'm Paul Morton with Kyndryl. I'm an Associate Director for IT, Compliance and Assurance. And what that really means is I get to work with data all of the time. As we made the transition to Kyndryl from IBM, I got asked to put an archive and retention process in place. And that becomes daunting when you start to consider what we were faced with as we started out. We had about 1 million contact records, 1,800 applications, 300,000 plus direct customer records, and a physical archive. And we had to start and say, what are we going to do with this? We wanted to have something that was going to be off the shelf, configurable to our need, with an industry recognized leader, and someone that our partners in business would trust as well. We wanted to have a single source of truth, and we wanted transparency in our governance approach. Kyndryl's operating in over 70 countries. We had over 400 rules. We needed to simplify it down for people. Working with Iron Mountain, we established that there was 93 direct rules, and we found that in the reduction, we were about 60% more efficient just on applying rules to the actual data sets that we were bringing in. In breaking the data down to the right business objects, by the right countries, by the years, we were actually readying all of this data for AI use. Having the ability to populate the different rules and contexts into AI tools, having proper data models established and apply it against the structured data that we have in place is very important, and it's proven fruitful. It's not just this archive and retention system, it all built upon itself. This wasn't just one thing on its own. Normally you would be looking at a 5-year transition period for something like that. You can do it in half that time. We've done it in half that time and then some. The results then start to show for all of the other work that you have to do in the data world.